Fuel filters are an essential component of any vehicle's fuel system. They play a crucial role in ensuring that the fuel flowing into an engine is free from contaminants such as dirt, rust, and other debris. These impurities can cause significant damage to the engine's delicate components, leading to reduced performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and even engine failure. The primary purpose of a fuel filter is to remove these harmful particles from the fuel before they reach the engine. By trapping these contaminants, the fuel filter helps protect fuel injectors, carburetors, and other sensitive components from wear and tear. Regularly replacing the fuel filter is essential for keeping your customer's engine running at its best. Over time, the filter can become clogged with accumulated debris, reducing the flow of fuel and causing a variety of issues. Recognizing the signs of a clogged fuel filter is crucial for identifying and addressing the issue before it becomes a bigger problem. Some common symptoms include decreased fuel efficiency, reduced engine power or acceleration, difficulty starting the engine, stalling or hesitation during acceleration, and increased fuel pump noise. If you notice any of these signs, it's essential to have the fuel filter inspected and replaced if necessary. The recommended frequency for replacing a fuel filter can vary depending on the vehicle's make, model, and driving conditions. Generally, most manufacturers suggest replacing the fuel filter every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, or as per the maintenance schedule outlined in the owner's manual. However, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional to determine the best replacement interval for the specific vehicle. There are two main types of fuel filters. In-tank fuel filters are located within the fuel tank and are responsible for filtering the fuel before it enters the fuel delivery system. Inline fuel filters are installed along the fuel line, typically between the fuel tank and the engine, and serve the same purpose as in-tank filters. Both types of filters are essential for maintaining a clean and efficient fuel system. Replacing a fuel filter can be a relatively straightforward task for experienced DIY mechanics. However, it's important to note that some vehicles may require specialized tools or techniques to access the filter, and improper installation can lead to fuel leaks or other issues. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.